Guys, Lux Trigger here, and welcome back to the video and to the channel. Tangaw sa yung mask kayo, road kayo. Yeah, today birthday ni Raven, mag-celebrate ni Ron. We're gonna celebrate Raven's birthday. That's why we got out this morning pretty early than usual. I promised myself to wake up 6 AM, but nakamata ko alas 8, so change of plan. But today nakikauban din na.
Hi guys, Lux Trigo here.
Balik ko siya, but he's only here for a few days. So yeah, currently we're at B&M. May buy something from there as well, Halfords, ng pizza sa akong sakyan kay wag sa wiper sa likod kay wag nahilis na. So yeah, let's go, Henry. Habog. There's no entry, that is the entrance there. Because normally this is the entrance and that's the exit over there. Samuad to ta sa taas. Oh, wala. Nasa taser tayo. Sa bando.
Why are you so excited over that?
No, everyone uses them.
Oh wow. Oh, also hand sanitizer. That's so cool.
Dispenser.
What? What?
Naslik. Gabagyan sila gramin. There's only one left.
You did say number 1 in Japan, right? I'm considering buying because I need something to munch on when my brain hurts.
Nagay sa manay sandwich spread na mo dire.
Ew.
Di ba sa tuwa kay ladies choice nito tuwa, di ba?
Sandwich spread's disgusting.
Malakas ta. We're going upstairs. Dude. That is huge.
It's too big for my room.
Okay guys, we bought everything now. Well, other than the one going for the other shop. Niato ko speaker shop po kay mas kuyo-kuyo do ilang kuan to. Nami bagawon lang mga prutas, so ato ko speakers. The one that you can see at the back, Tesco. Henry's bought stuff from B&M now. And then I bought my windscreen wiper for the back of the car in Halfords. I just didn't have time to film because we were like rushing and everything, so yeah. So we're probably heading to Wilkinson.
Probably.
Yeah, let's go then. We're going to Wilkinson now, guys. Kita lang mga ni kanunay, di ba? Ano yung party sa mong taon na Sinpro. Nag-Wilco ta unahan. Sa market sa mi guys kay wala mi kita sa mong gipalit sa Wilkinson, so market sa muna yung merkado na mo diri. Asan? Sorry. Hello.
Hey guys.
Abot na. You're looking good, Henry. Meanwhile, di ka nilakaw si pabagaandam pod sa mga
Ingani pa?
kuan.
Sakto rin yung sa pagbutang ako.
Ditson.
Gamar sila seaweed of icing.
Napog manok na guys, ano ni gi-marinate. It's gonna be marinating for 3 hours. Ang marinate ano sikreto. Secret, it's a secret. Papa. Looking good. Pero layo kasi nung ang ditson. Sige ra tuyok. Tangan na kiwi ni mama. Mas taas. Mga strawberry. Ito mo mango?
Mango, strawberries, and then we're gonna put Maybe different berries, blackberries, blueberries, and some more strawberries in the middle.
So it's basically a fruit cake.
Yeah.
Okay guys, muna yung secret na breading para sa fried chicken. Something special here. I'm just using a chopstick to mix it. Find it easier to go like that. Yan, makuha na akong itlog niya. Gravy guys, ako'y gama. It's just Henry who's continuing it.
He screwed up.
Secret,
Fixing
gapon
it.
secret. Pero kuan, stock among main ingredient niya, may main kuan liquid. Walay tubig. Okay guys, mugamit sa kong blender guys kaya para mo smooth ag gravy. Gatong mga clams nga nagpunto sa ilawang bitaw, mga flour, makuan siya magaling. So yeah, we'll try to do it slowly. Guys, bilonon na guys. Mga unom 5 dira. So mga 14 minutes ang tayo muna. Aga. Litson no. Litson pork belly. Pila ni ka oras pa? Katulo? Ah, 3.5. Sugod-sugod yung gisugdan ni guys. Tada! Tada!
Birthday girl.
Nag-birthday girl guys.
Say hi, my bed. Hi.
Nag-aaral siya kung ano yung balloon.
18.
Yada na guys, ang mga kuan. Handa na mo.
Trying to get her balloon. No, it gets the presents.
The gift I give is good. So I hope you have a wonderful psychology. Thank you, Georgia.
Mycology.
Mycology. Thank
What does that
you.
mean?
Sure, good.
My phone of 7 years.
Yeah.
Oh, it's SE, isn't it? Yeah.
Wait, I haven't seen. What is this? Oh my god, the same size as my phone.
Pause.
Whoa.
What we do is just go back.
Oh my god. What color is it? Oh my god.
I feel how you feel.
Oh my god, it's a pink diamond.
Wow, it fits too.
I never expected that. Yeah, is it gold?
Dang.
Oh my god, it's gold. Oh,
You better not lose those. Ready for
Raven, bling bling.
Whoa, bling. It's a lot of bling.
Not the
Can I have some?
Oh my god,
Winter.
they're gonna be like this all ngani.
Amen.
Well,
Amen.
Time.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, pa. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you for the effort. Thank you for
Yay.
Kuya.
Birthday, dear Raven. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow it like that then. Oh, you don't blow it. I was joking.
Actually not.
Okay guys, mana kita nan. From morning till the night. I think it's, let me see what time is it. Yeah, it's 6:30 I guess, I would say. So yeah, whole day. Kasi prepare me. So I just wanted to show you sa kuan birthday ni Raven yun sa pag-celebrate. Hopefully you did enjoy it though. And yeah, thank you for stopping by. I'm gonna end the video there now guys. As always, please consider subscribing to the channel if you've enjoyed what you've seen. And please also consider giving the video a like. As always, see you guys in the next one. Bye!